Hi, it's Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and in front of me today I have the R1 and the R1 Plus from Relync. These scooters are super slick, super cool, and if you're looking at these lights right here, these aren't even the main lights. This is just what happens when you turn this thing on, as much as everything else that's on here too. The dash is so slick, I want to come and show you, but what is so great about this feature, the feature on these scooters, is how easy it is to fold and move about. So I want to take you straight to the dash, because this thing is cool. So let's have a look right here. We power this up. Cool little flashes, and then here we've got a beautiful digital screen, probably the best digital screen I've ever seen. You've got here your distance, the time, your kilometers an hour, everything's really easily adjusted just through these couple of little buttons you see here. You've got this for reverse, this for forward, push, just using your thumbs, really simple. And then down here you've got a cool little USB port so you can charge your phone or anything you want. You've got a little hook here too, you can hang your bag on. Really neat. And of course the lights, if you come around here to the front, now this stays on all the time, very slick. But of course when we put our light on right here, you've got a beautiful big beam that's going to keep you real safe if you are traveling around at night as well on this thing. It's also really stable. It's something that's overlooked on this type of product because it's a foldable scooter. A lot of people think foldable scooters aren't stable. Look at the sides of these wheels. These are pneumatic tires. Really slick, really quite big actually. Nice little guards, and then because of that, it's wide, and for a three-wheeler scooter, this is really quite stable. And also, if we come over here, it's not only cool on the outside, it's actually cool on the inside. If we come up and open up the batteries, you can have two of these, one on one side, one on the other. This ranges from up to an 8 mile an hour for the standard, and then with the R1 Plus, up to 16 miles range. That's a 16-mile range on a foldable scooter that folds just like this. Anyway, here's the battery I was talking about. Slick, this kind of metallic gunmetal. If we power this up as well, it can tell you how much power you've got in there, just lit up with those small LEDs. Perfect for traveling. You can take this on a plane as well. Excellent. And another thing that is so good about this product is how easily it folds. Just watch this. Got a little hand grip underneath here that you pull. As you bring this down, all you do is fold this, grab this handle, lift this up, and this then just locks in, and that is it. For a manual, it is so easy. And of course, reverse this. You're gonna just put your foot on here. We're gonna extend forward with the hand grip, holding on there, clip, and the same thing comes, we just lift it up, and we're ready to drive. See you later. So if owning a scooter is all about convenience, but with that extra bit of style, this R1 is definitely for you. The convenience and easeability for folding, moving around, for storing is really unique. It is so slick and cool. I even want one of these. If you want to come in store for an assessment, you know where we are, or we can do assessments at home, and you know the number to call. It is 01702 417 088, and of course our website at lifestylemobility.co.uk. We look forward to seeing you soon.